Hey guys, and welcome to an overview on what Dropbox is, how to use it, how to install it, and some tips and tricks to get you up and running. So what you're going to want to do first is create a Dropbox account. And to do that, you're just going to open up Dropbox.com in your favorite web browser. So I'm going to use Google Chrome for this example and navigate to Dropbox.com. Once at Dropbox.com, if an account isn't already signed in, you should be brought to a page like this. Once you're at this page, I do have a bonus code that my viewers here can actually type in and get extra space. Defaultly, Dropbox comes with 2 gigabytes of space, but this code that I have, it will get you more space. So all you're going to want to do is, the code is up on the screen now, and if you're on mobile, you probably can't see it, so it's in the description as well. And what you're going to do is just copy and paste that, put it into your address bar right up here, and it should bring you to the next page, and I'll get to there in a second. If you don't want to use the code for whatever reason, all you're going to do is click the little arrow icon right here, and you should see create an account. You're just going to click that. Now this is the create an account page, and this is what it should look like if you use the code I gave you, if not very similar. And you're just going to fill out your first name, your last name, email, password, and go ahead and check the I agree to Dropbox terms. Once you're done with that, create an account, and you'll either be brought back to the home page like this, or you will be signed in, and you should see a screen like this. Slow login. My saving password just kind of messed up on this, but anyway, this is Dropbox.com, and you should see something similar to this. Don't mind the school folder, that's something I've created. So once you're here, you're probably saying, great, that's awesome, I have Dropbox now. Well, how do I use it? Well, there's 2 ways to do it. One, you can upload files through the web browser, which is neat. So you can put any file on your computer into Dropbox. But the catch there is they have a upload size limit. Now to get past that limit, you're just going to want to install the desktop client for Dropbox. So all you're going to do here is go to the little arrow next to your name, and just go ahead and click this arrow here, and then click install. Now once you click install, it will say download Dropbox, simplify your life, free download, and then if you're on Mac, it'll say for Mac, Linux for Linux, and PC, so on and so forth. You're going to go ahead and click the free download, and this is going to vary through different operating systems, but for the sake of this, I'm on a Mac, and all you're going to do is hit save. On PC, you're going to hit save as well, not run, because you don't want to run it. And once you're done, you should see it on your desktop or wherever you saved it. Now once you're done downloading it, you can close out the regular Dropbox website out of your web browser, and you should see a package folder. On Mac, it's a DMG image. Excuse me, but it's going to be like a package installer. You're just going to double click it, and you'll see it verify and open up. Now I know PC, I don't think has you drag it into the applications, but for Mac, that's what you do. I think it pretty much, you go through a setup wizard on PC and it will set you up, so just follow the directions. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and open it if it's not already open, and you should have a little Dropbox icon up here. If you're on Mac, it will be this like little icon, and you can look at all the Dropbox settings. And if you're on PC, it should be in the bottom right down here where your volume control is and everything else. If it's not there, search for the .exe or the file in your applications if you're on Mac, and just launch it, and it should come up. Now, if you're on Mac, you'll see that the folder actually goes right into here called Dropbox. It'll be under your places, and on PC, I believe it goes straight to your documents. I may be wrong, but you can feel free to move that folder around as you like. Like I can drag it out of places and put it somewhere else if I choose to, but I just leave it there. Now, these are your Dropbox folders. Normally you'll have photos, public, and maybe one other thing, and I added school in for files I need for school. Now, what's neat about Dropbox is if you, let's say, make a new folder, or even, let's just take this picture for demonstration of this little icon. Or not icon, but GIMP project. There you go. So it goes into Dropbox, and as you notice, it's off your desktop now. So it takes it from your desktop and puts it on Dropbox. And if you're kind of concerned about that and you don't want it only in Dropbox, you want to keep it on your desktop as well, you can go ahead and right-click it, hit copy, and just paste it right into the Dropbox window. And as you see, there's these check marks on each little folder, and that means that they have successfully updated with the Dropbox and everything's up to date. If you see like a blue syncing icon, that means you probably want to let it finish before logging it off, so it will finish pretty much syncing it up to the cloud. So as I just showed, I put in the network spoofer.xcf file via the Dropbox client on my desktop. But if we go to dropbox.com again, you can see that here it is again, networkspoofer.xcf. So I did it on my computer, or well, I did all this on my computer, but I did it via the desktop client, and then it also recognized that I put it in there, and now it's on the web as well. So this is neat because, like, let's say you go to you go out of town or something and you need to use a computer at a friend's house or something like that. You can just go to dropbox.com and there's your file that you uploaded, and you can just take it right off the Dropbox website and edit there, re-upload it, and modify it, and you don't even need to have your computer there. They also have things called links. So let's say this was a file or a picture that I wanted to share with my friends. I could hover over it, and you'll see this little link icon. It'll say Get Link. You can click on it, and it will say this will pop up, and it'll say networkspoofer.xcf or the file name, the last time you updated it, the size of it, and you can download it right here. But if you look in the top at the address bar, you can actually copy and paste this and send it to your friends, and they'll be able to download it as well. So you can share files as through links, and then you can also make a shared folder. You can hit start a new shared folder after clicking sharing, and you can name it whatever you want to. And what that initially lets you do is you have a set of certain people that can edit all the folders inside. So let's say you're doing a group project. I'll use another picture as an example, and you're trying to get a picture for the headline in news. Instead of people having to download it, look at it, edit it, and make changes and send it back to you so you can re-upload it, they can upload it themselves, and everyone can just change it that you have listed. So that's neat for collaborations and businesses. So that's pretty much all you guys need to know. Just have the desktop client, and you also have the web client that you can do. They also have a client for Android phones. They also have a client for pretty much smartphones, and that as well is neat because you can take that file that I just uploaded there and put it right on your phone, and you have it 3 different places: on the web, on your computer itself, and on your phone. So it's pretty neat. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a message or leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll try and get back to them as quick as I can. Again, bonus code in the description if you want that extra space. Helps me out, helps you out. And again, thanks for watching, and consider subscribing. Thanks.